feel here? It doesn't say. Whatever. What other one? Carrot or sugar donut? Lovely. Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have a mukbang. And I'm going to do a McDonald's mukbang. Now, I've literally not sat and made a video for a week. Sorry, I'm already getting emotional. I've had a really, really difficult week this week. Sorry. Just a lot of personal stuff. And I've had a really kind of traumatic birthday. It was my birthday on the 24th of March. And I've not been filming. I've just been feeling really out of it. I've had a full week of no filming. And I'm just really excited to get back to you guys. And really just grateful that I'm on YouTube and I can speak to you. So I really do feel very glad that I've got you guys. And sorry, my camera's going weird. I feel very glad that I've got you guys with me, and yeah. Anyway, I'll stop draining you. So this is my mukbang. I've got Fanta and a chicken legend and some fries. Not a crazy mukbang, but I just fancy doing a mukbang with you guys. I'm sorry to get emotional there, guys, but it's been a really difficult week. And I haven't really felt like I've had a lot of support. But I'm going to power on. So how's everyone? I mean, I've not spoken to you. I've not made a video in such a long time. I'm slowly making my way back up to videos. These fries are really good today. So I've got ketchup and mayo over there. I've literally just been having the week from hell. Yesterday I got my nails done, which they needed to be done because on my birthday, they were literally non-existent because I had to rip them all off because I lost so many. So these are my nails. They're beautiful, aren't they? Can you see they're a lovely kind of, what's it called? Ombre. And I've gone for a different shape. Shorter. Oval. Just fancy a change. I'm really happy with those. So yesterday was nice to get out of the house. You know. Let me try the burger. Here we go, guys. Can you see? I've not had a chicken legend for so long. Fries. I feel like I look really pale. I'm tired. I've had the worst acid reflux all week. If any of you have any remedies or anything, please let me know. It's slightly, I've got it slightly now every time I swallow. It feels like there's something stuck. And it's really, really bad. Oh, I'm enjoying these. So how has everyone been? I love the chicken, can you see? I have got so many more videos for you guys. You will not even believe it. I've been going manic with the credit card. And the amount of stuff I bought, reviews, everything. Honestly, you're going to be in for such a treat. Not that, because it's going to annoy me. So happy. You'll be... Because I think I was only saying in my last video that I wanted to, you know, up my game, and I've not even been doing anything. These things happen though. So many fries today, isn't there? I feel like I look weird today. My colouring seems really off. I'm really loving this. So good. It feels so good to speak to you guys. It really does. This is amazing. I love the chicken. It's like a southern fried chicken. Very warm. Don't know if you can see the steam coming out of it. And the fries feel good as well, because I think McDonald's fries have like a lifespan of 10 minutes. And then it's just done. I get bored of fries though. So yeah, I don't really want to get into this week, but let's just say my birthday was an absolute disaster. And I've had to pay the price for that big time. But things happen, and, you know, people do stupid things. Just have to move on. So I'm going to focus on my YouTube career. I'm going to smash these videos out. And I'm going to make myself proud. I want to just... My idea would to make a living out of this. I find some people struggle a lot more than others. I am, you know... Oh, have I got another Monopoly? Sorry, another Monopoly. What have I won now? There's nothing on it. What's that? That's not a ticket, is it? peel me to plate. There's nothing there. Are you serious? Oh, what? I've been done by with that one. So good. I love the bread. Some people have it really easy on YouTube, some people don't. I've got, you know, I'm doing okay, but it's not overnight. And I've seen some people, like mukbangers, and they get famous like this. Why can't it be me? I don't know what I've done to my esophagus. I've burnt it. Can anyone like suggest any remedies? I don't know why. I don't know if you need to go to the doctor or. It really hurts. I don't want to finish these fries. So guys, please stay tuned for more videos. I have got so much coming up. So many hauls, so many reviews, so many mukbangs and first impressions. Like, I have a list on my iPhone of ideas and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Honestly, you'll be so happy to see what I've got in store for you. So, that's it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I don't like my makeup stick. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think of the video. Do you like Chicken Legends, or what's your favourite kind of mukbang, your favourite McDonald's? So have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Ooh, I'm doing the head thing again.